Mama Naj.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Here are your bananas.
Are they good?
Very, very good. But you are always buying bananas. Have you updated yourself like you update your stomach?
Hey. Mama Naj.
Look at this.
My balance.
Your balance. Mama Naj to give you the balance. That is a criminal.
You can register as a voter or check.
Rukia, did you hear?
What?
Vote update is happening. If you don't register, who will vote for your honorable? Rastad.
Zara, did you send that report?
I forwarded your email this morning.
Peter, can you imagine? I just verified my voter's details online. I just verified my voter's details online, and it's as easy as sending a WhatsApp message.
Really? Online?
Yes.
Show me.
Uganda, your vote is your voice, and every voice matters. From 20th January to 10th February 2025, you can register as a voter or check to update your voter details. Visit our update center within your parish. Call 0800-200-071 or visit www.ec.or.ug today. This message is brought to you by the Electoral Commission of Uganda.
Our children can learn. Do you know how much goes to State House on a daily basis? So we have substituted education to facilitating a family, one family, that has become a liability for our country. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand that a person who gives education does not mean well for Ugandans. We must demand that this dictator gets out of office with his family. It is time we get rid of this dictator. We better our institution is not only education, but you have seen what Honorable Kaya said. How do we start asking for more time? They should have known that every parish needs equipment, but we have trees that still are counted as classrooms. We need to purposely budget for the education and give it the utmost attention that it requires. I call upon teachers, parents, stakeholders, students, and whoever to join the team. Let's protest against the education that is crumbling. Let us come up in big numbers and inform Museveni. I don't know what qualifications he has to prepare for the education of this country. I do not know what qualifications the Minister of Education has to plan for our children, but as a mother, I'm concerned about the education of our children. Please, mothers, let's rise up. We need educated children. We need children with a bright future. And for that, we need to strengthen and advocate for policies that will really make our children better citizens of the nation for a bright future for them. Thank you.
Very malicious, but even within that, we are going to arise. We need to continue to reinvent ways to participate and our voices are reflected.